Can you 3D print a Yeezy slide? To find out, I downloaded a 3D scan of a Yeezy slide, scaled it up, and printed it out on my 3D printer. However, I ran out of black filament halfway through, which unfortunately meant that I had to print the slide in 2 different colors. Not exactly the look that I was going for. The next Yeezy slide, I made sure to have enough filament so the slide could all come out in one color. But I felt like that wasn't enough, so I decided to 3D print another Yeezy slide, this time in Ninja Flex, which means it's softer overall, and also this pair could glow in the dark. It took between 50 hours and 5 days to print each one of these Yeezy slides. Turns out it takes a long time to 3D print shoes, but once they were all printed, it was time to try them on. The all gray pair looked the most like an actual pair of Yeezy slides. Because I didn't put enough infill inside the shoe, it collapsed under my weight. The glow in the dark Ninja Flex pair was by far my favorite, but unfortunately because the Ninja Flex was so soft, it couldn't support my weight. Turns out the gray and black pair was the most successful overall. No, it wasn't that soft because it had a lot of infill inside the shoe, and in my opinion, it didn't look that great, but it was the only pair that I could actually stand on and walk around in. So I guess, yeah, you can 3D print a pair of Yeezy slides.